Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Abian Zajanuri. I'm from 9.3, and in this education making video, I'm gonna tell you about my activity during Ramadan month. From the first day until today is the 10th day of Ramadan month in the calendar is 10 March 2025. Okay. Uh, from wake up at the morning, I before fasting, I do sahur. Like as we know that every Muslim are recommended to do sahur before they are fasting. Uh, I usually wake up at 3 o'clock, namely before fasting. Yeah, before fasting, and then I do sahur at 3 o'clock with my family members like my mother, my father, and then my sister, and then me of course. We usually uh, sahur together at one place, and then we eat together at the same time. Then after sahur, I usually do or do tahajud prayer, uh, because in Ramadan month, we are recommended to do sunnah prayer, like prayer before subuh, and then and then another sunnah prayer that can increase our uh, our worship to Allah in the Ramadan month especially. And then next, after tahajud prayer, I wait for the time to subuh prayer. When it's the time for subuh prayer, I usually go to the mosque with my friends and my family members. But mostly I spend my time at the mosque with my friend, and then also with my neighbor. After doing prayer subuh congregation in the mosque. Usual after that, I usually listen the lecture from ustad and then another people at the mosque. Uh, at this time, I usually take the lesson from the lecture or the preacher, and then yeah, it can increase my knowledge about about the religion, and then another thing that is related to the history of Rasulullah, and then another thing that is very helpful, and then very useful for the lesson. Okay. After listening for the lecture, and then after subuh to subuh prayer congregation at the mosque, I walking back home to tidy my bed. Yeah, usually I tidy my bed after subuh prayer, namely it's already the time to fasting. And then after that, I usually play with my friends. Yeah, at the morning, when it is holiday and it is not school. But when it's time to school, like now, I do a project in my school. I usually um, do my project at my home, and then yeah, just a little project, and some paragraph of the project. And then after that, I take a bath, and then go to school, of course, at 7 o'clock. And then I arrive at school at 8 o'clock. Yeah, it's very long time from my home, from my house to the school. And then um, and then at the duhur time, I do duhur prayer congregation. And then after duhur prayer, I usually reading Al Quran. Yeah, I reading Al Quran after duhur prayer and after asar prayer. Usually I get one juz in a day. Yeah, it's my target to get at 30 juz at 1 month of Ramadan. Yeah, Bismillah. I mm, I believe that I can do that. And then next, after door prayer, and then read the Quran, and then I do asar prayer. And then of course, after asar prayer, I read Al Quran again, like I already said to you. Then next, I do another activities like tidying my house, and then another useful and another advantage activities. And then yeah, there are many activities that I do, but I can I can tell you here because it's so many. And then after that, I take a bath again at the evening, and then after take a bath, I reading Al-Quran again to wait the time for iftar or breaking the fast. Usually I wait for the maghrib time with reading Al-Quran, and then when it's the time to break the fast, I immediately break the fast with water, tea, or maybe another thing like date, and then another food to break my fast. After that, I go to the mosque again to do Maghrib prayer, and then after Maghrib prayer, I reading Al Quran again, and then usually this time I get one juice in a day, and then after that, I uh, I go to the mosque again to do Isya and Tarawih prayer. Uh, Sometimes I go to the mosque that is do eight, eight I'm sorry. Sometimes I go to the mosque that is do 11 rakaat of Tarawih prayer, and then another mosque that is 23 rakaat of Tarawih prayer with witir, of course. And then after do Tarawih and witir prayer at the mosque, I sometimes play with my friends again at the night. We just have a conversation each other. We just talk and share idea each other. And after that, I walking back home again. And yeah, at this time, if there is some moment or sometimes, I usually do my project again. And then after that, when the time is showing 10 o'clock or 9 o'clock, I go to sleep. Okay, I think that's all my activities or my routinity during the Ramadan month. So far so good. Until today is the 10th day of Ramadan month. I hope we can do the 30 days fasting complete with easily. And yeah, I hope that we are get barokah from Allah, and then we and I hope that we are get advantage from our fasting in this month. Okay, I think that's all from me about my activity during Ramadan month. Last I say thank you. See you next time. I'm Abian Zaidanuri. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.